So this artificial ecosystem includes terrestrial ecosystem that is called grassland ecosystem and freshwater ecosystem that is called pond ecosystem. So first is grassland ecosystem. So in the grassland ecosystem, the vegetation is dominated by grasses. The vegetation है grass which is covered in a particular area. So that vegetation covered by grasses. Vegetation is dominated by grasses. Grass. So it has various components of grassland. The land which is covered with the grass. Grassland ecosystem, the vegetation is covered on the land, like grasses, plants, small trees. It is covered over the entire land. So it consists various components. त्यामध्ये abiotic components आहेत, biotic components, producers, consumers, decomposers. So this is a grassland ecosystem. एक system है. Plants. Plants are produced which has formed due to photosynthesis process. So this plant's grass, or that is eaten by small insects or animals that like rabbit. Grass is the image दाखवले पहा process of this grassland ecosystem. So that is consumed by rabbit. Plants are consumed by grasshoppers, yeah, insect type. That will be this grasshopper will depend upon this plants, grass. Rabbits, they eat the grass. Mouse. Then again, this grasshopper that will be consumed by lizard. Then snake will consume the mouse. Again, mouse that will be consumed by hawk. Snake that will be consumed by hawk. Lizards. So this process is called grassland ecosystem. So every animals that are depending on other animals or the other systems. This process is continuous. So how this grassland ecosystem that is this process cycle that will continues. How it's what are the components of this grassland ecosystems? That first abiotic components are there. त्यामध्ये काय काय which is related to living things. Abiotic are the non-living things. Biotic are the living things. त्यामध्ये biotic मध्ये काय काय येणार? So the aerial environment, climate, and edaphic factors like soil, nutrients, soil water, soil air, and soil texture. These are the main abiotic components. The surrounding environment, climate, edaphic factors like soil nutrients, soil water, soil moisture, soil air, soil texture. So these are the main abiotic components. So nutrients which consist nutrients such as hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, phosphorus, sulfur required by plants are supplied by soil and air in the form of CO2. Then water, nitrates, phosphates and sulfates. These are the nutrients. The climate is also a abiotic component of grassland ecosystem. The climate it includes rainfall, temperature, wind flow in an area. So this is the abiotic component of the grassland ecosystem. These are the abiotic components. समजलं abiotic components कुठले आहेत? Then biotic components कुठले आहेत? These are producers जे produce करतात. The plants, Plants are producers. Consumers कुठले आहेत? Animals. That plants are consumed by animals. So from the animal decomposition done, decomposers कुठले आहेत? Microorganisms. That animals that will be decomposed. Decomposition of the animals is done. That is done by microorganisms. These are biotic components. Tenth, producers. The primary producers are mainly grasses like Digitaria of the family, Gramina, and large variety of herbs. Some shrubs, scattered trees are also the producers. म्हणजे produce करतात. Plants or trees that produces. Plants, this plant produce from the plants we get the various types of fruits, mango, apple, banana. So that is producers. Plants are the producers of fruits or the producers produce the various types of fruits. So that is that plants that which are consumed or leaves of the plant that is consumed by consumers, animals, or human beings. These are the producers. So this consumers कुठले आहेत? Consumers are three types: primary, secondary, and tertiary. त्यामुळे herbivores like cow, goat, rabbit, deer, sheep, buffaloes. These are the animals, and many insects are the primary consumers. These are the primary consumers. It includes the various types of animals. The cow असेल, goat, rabbit, deer, sheep, buffaloes. These are the primary consumers. त्याला काय म्हणतात? Herbivores. Then carnivores. Carnivore animals कुठले आहेत? Fox, jackals, lizards, frogs, snakes, etc. These are the secondary consumers. Tertiary consumers कोण आहेत? Hogs. Hogs इथे दाखवले पाहिजे या डायग्राम मध्ये. Hawk. Hawk consumes the mouse, snake, lizard. The tertiary consumer. Secondary consumer कोण आहेत?
कुठं गेल्या कधी कुठं
सर अनम्यूट करा.
Okay. Sorry. So in consumers, it includes these three systems: primary consumers, secondary consumers, and tertiary consumers. Primary consumer मध्ये कोण कोण येतात? Grasshopper, rabbit, mouse. Secondary मध्ये lizard, snake. Tertiary मध्ये hawk. So plants are the producers, and finally decomposition is done. Decomposition of the animals and combustion of the organic matter. These are depending on each other. These are biotic components. This is a grassland ecosystem. It consists of abiotic components and biotic components. त्यामध्ये producers आहेत, consumers. Producers कोण आहेत? These are mainly grasses like Digitaria, family of Digitaria, Digitaria family, Gramina, and large variety of herbs, shrubs, trees. These are the producers. The consumers मध्ये तीन types आहेत: primary, secondary, and tertiary. Herbivores are the cow, goat, rabbit, deer, sheep, and buffalo. These are the animals. These are the primary consumers. Secondary consumers कुठले आहेत? Carnivores. It includes fox, lizard, jackals, frogs, snakes. And third one is hawks. These are tertiary consumers. So decomposition of the organic matter and dead animals that occur. It includes dead animals and decaying of organic matter. This includes bacteria growing on a dead animals and decaying organic matter. And fungi as saprophytes like Mucor, Penicillium, Aspergillus, Rhizopus, Fusarium. These are the types of fungi. So from this, humus is formed. Humus and minerals are formed that are useful for increasing the fertility of the soil. From that, we can take the different types of crops. Crops are grown on a fertile land. So this is the artificial ecosystem. Some artificial ecosystem. Okay. Then freshwater ecosystem. So the time is over. In next lecture, we'll see this freshwater pond ecosystem, and that is also includes abiotic components and biotic components, producers, consumers, and decomposers. So everyone give attendance in chat box. Attendance there chat box मध्ये.